So the village of Royal Palm Beach has Top Taste, this Jamaican restaurant in the Cobblestone Village here in Royal Palm Beach would at times operate as a nightclub, but the owner told me tonight, not so fast.
First of all, the Dundas boy outside with the ball head, him don't even know where my talk say. See, him don't know the difference between a dance, me not keep a party, me I keep a fish fry.
On social media, they would be promoted as can't-miss events with scantily clad women, fancy cars, and food.
Me I sell snapper, me I sell pargy. You understand? Oh, me for keep party and I'ma smell like onion.
He had a restaurant that when it got dark, stopped being a restaurant.
The city of Royal Palm can suck out them woman. Yeah, me I tell you, I'm running a restaurant. Me keep a little fish fry. If you try my conch soup to it, bad no bumbuckler.
Now, Village Council is expected to vote for a second and final time at next Thursday's meeting, updating the law here in Royal Palm Beach, outright banning nightclubs. We're live in Royal Palm Beach. Andrew Laffoam, WPTV, News Channel 5.